That's why we have to adjust the time. Thinking of the situation along the road. It's better to wait there than to feeling so anxious, yeah. While stuck on the traffic. So these are the materials and the people are already working here. Construction materials. A big post. There than here. Ay, ito ba yan? Napipindot ko. Look, that's for the post. Ooh, there's a pit for the post. The men are working. Ayan po. Bakal. I think that's 20 millimeters. 20 millimeters siya. May tawag ko. Gusto dyan ko doon. Okay. Wala, malapit na pala ako. Wow, naka 35 minutes na akong live. So the travel is 35 minutes. Ano, the walk pala. The walk and the travel. I think 5 minutes yung walk. And then the travel is 30 minutes. I'm gonna show you everything. Oh, nag-check. What's that? Pure gold. Saan ba ako bababa? Ay, doon na lang saan. Pure gold. Ay, dito na pala. Opo. Salamat po. Thank you. Hi, Mr. Nice Guy. Maraming salamat sa thumbs up. Just showing you around while I'm going home. So can you see what I see? Oh, fast motor. Ow. So yeah, we're walking here. Coconut, buko. That's buko. Oops. Buko. Kamote. Mais. Corn. Oh, the veggies. Look. Sidewalk vendors. Their sidewalk. This is the sidewalk. And they are the vendor table. Okay. Thank you, M&A. Dito po, Genohan. Ito yung Goldilocks. Asan ba? Quirino Highway, yung MRT 7 construction. There's the Robinson Supermarket, Jollibee. Dito, mga batang kankanu, shout out. May saging. Bananas. So, may mga laruan. Pang bata. And mga gulay.